Hey folks, it's Andy Barrar, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com, and today we're going to be looking at this thing right here. It's the Nanoleaf 4D screen Wi-Fi mirror, and it is a module that connects to these LED strips on the back. Now you might be thinking to yourself, this is nothing new, but what makes this different is the color that you're going to see on the back of that screen is going to match the color that you see on the television screen. And it's all done by that camera that you see right on the top. Is this any good? Should you get it? Let's find out. So let's start right at the unboxing. This is everything that you get out of the box for the Nanoleaf 4D screen Wi-Fi mirror. Of course, you got the LED strip itself. It has a USB-C connection on the end, 65 inches, and it also comes with the manual. There is a QR code that you see right there. You need to keep this manual. Anytime you want to set it up, you're going to need to be able to scan that to identify it. On the top, you'll see there's a little holder for this camera that mounts either on the bottom or on the top of your television. Even comes with a cover in case you want some privacy, even though that camera is really facing your television. There is the power module, the controller itself. This is where all the magic happens. The power adapter and everything gets connected, like that USB-C cable to the light strip. It also comes with some tape because you're going to need to use that tape to tape these corner pieces onto the back of your television, and that allows something for the LED strip to stick. Now, it does come with this green kind of sticker. I'm going to be honest with you, I never even got that far to figure out, but I believe it is part of the calibration. I didn't actually have to use it. Now comes the install. And first thing is I put that tape on, and I'm going to put these corner pieces onto the back of my television. And this is very important because if you ever used an LED strip on the back of a TV, getting those corners was always the issue. But with these corner pieces, it's almost kind of like a racetrack because it kind of goes across and then you tape the strip on. Gives you something to tape and make sure everything is secure. Of course, every TV is going to be different, but that's the way it goes. After that, you're going to have to go and do the setup inside the Nanoleaf app. Again, I was talking about that QR code. You scan that. That QR code is connected to the controller, the specific controller that you have. From there, you have to select your Wi-Fi network and then go through the rest of the installation to make it happen. Then there is some calibration. The light should come on, and then you basically have to toggle back and forth to get that all set up. And then this is the screen that you're going to see at the end. Basically, you want to kind of get as many of the corners as possible because that camera is going to be watching the screen. Here is inside the app, you get a lot of different types of customization options. I was mainly concerned with the 4D aspects. And so here we're going to go ahead and try it for the first time. I turned the TV on and look, it's blue. The back of the screen is blue. That tells me right away that it's working. Even here, when I open up Netflix, look at, you can see the top corner, whatever that light was, it's shining into that corner. And then when I'm playing, it's matching the light. And it has an almost near real time, so very low latency. So I think this is really going to enhance that kind of entertainment value when you're watching television because you don't just have lights in the back. The lights are changing in real time to whatever it is you're watching. I even made sure I got some underwater ocean footage just to see that kind of blue hinge to it, and it all happens from that controller. Here it is from the back. You can see what it looks like. Thankfully, I have everything mounted. That controller, however, you know, it wasn't really, I don't know if they ever showed that it was for a television being mounted on the wall like that because all the pictures showed it sitting on the bottom on a table and such. But you can see you have that camera right in the middle. The camera is constantly observing the screen and adjusting the light on the back, even in the corner. So if there's blue in the corner, it'll be blue in the corner. If it's all blue, all the lights are changing blue. It's quite remarkable, to be honest with you, at this price point, how they were able to do that. But I'll have to say one thing. I did run into some installation issues in this. I couldn't get the light to work. Going down a Reddit thread, I was able to determine from someone's suggestion that it was the USB-C connection at the controller. So if you do have some installation issues, go on Reddit. That's your friend. But once you get this running, it is absolutely wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this review. My name is Andy Barrar, Handy Andy. You can find links to the description of this below and more information at my website and all my social channels. Handy Andy, signing out.